To enable battery saver on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here find the battery. Click on it, then navigate to your current mode right here, and this should allow you to switch between the balanced battery saver or ultra battery saver. You can also see how much battery time you'll get by enabling one of those options, and you can toggle battery saver. As you can see, I just got 10 hours of battery remaining instead of 8. And there's also ultra battery saver, and this will drastically change your phone UI and you will lose many options on your phone, but that way you'll get a lot of battery time. The standard battery saver instead just a few settings like a screen brightness, screen auto brightness, and etc. to help you preserve the battery. Now if you want to exit ultra battery saver mode, just click on the exit and that way you will leave it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.